So good news, it's now possible to run a Zero in Westminster. They have these charging points. I believe there's 20,000 of them. You can ask for one to be installed if you've got a favourite. This is the cable you're going to need. A Menekes Type 2 male adapter. Okay, and a standard English 3-pin socket at the other end with a waterproof thing. This is the stock domestic electricity cable English spec supplied by Zero. And it goes in there. Goes up there, nice and waterproof. Of course that end goes onto the lamppost, and this part plugs into the Zero. I paid £165 including postage. I have tried to use the QR code on the website, but that doesn't work for me. Plug this one in, like so. And the Zero cable plugged into the domestic type socket. And then plug it into the Zero. Normally you can get much closer to the lamppost. You may have noticed the light was blue when nothing was plugged in. Well, look, there it is, it's blue. It's ready to be plugged in. And then it goes orange. The QR code doesn't work for me, but the app works very well. And it shows you where you are because something's plugged in. There's that, and you push that to say that that's you, and you charge. That's great. And it says 24p per kilowatt hour. That's less than I pay at home. And now it's charging. The light goes from green, from what was it last? Orange to green. And it is charging. There is a worry your cable's being stolen. The EV bits cable, it can't actually be removed while you're charging unless you use a little key they supply. I don't really know why, but if you unlock it with this little key, you can remove it and stop the charging that way, but it mucks up the app and things. So there's a Zero, nicely locked up, charging on an EV bits cable and a Westminster lamppost.